Dear students, today we have started from indices. This is for class 9 ICSE board, and other students who wish to learn indices, though they may not be from ICSE or any other stream, they can also learn this from here. Today at first we will start from the laws of indices. The laws of indices says like this way. There are 15 formulae. We have to go through this. The first one is that a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. Second is a to the power m divided by a to the power n equal to a to the power m by a to the power n, that is a to the power m minus n, when m is larger than n, that is m is greater than n. Again, a to the power m divided by a to the power n equal to a to the power m by n equal to minus of n minus m, minus of n minus m, when m is smaller than n. Here m is smaller, but here m is larger or greater. And number 4 is a to the power m to the power n equal to a to the power m into n. It is also like that, a to the power n into m, same. Number 5, a b to the power n equal to a to the power n into b to the power n. Also a, b, c, whatever it may be, to the power n equal to a to the power n, b to the power n, c to the power n, etc. Again, just see number 6, a to the power m into a to the power n into a to the power p equal to, if it goes on, then it will be a to the power m plus n plus p plus n, so on. Number 7, a by b to the power n equal to a to the power n by b to the power n. Or you may say also like this way, a to the power n and b to the power n equal to b to the power minus n. Number 8, root over of a, and this is nth root. Nth root of a equal to a to the power 1 by n. It is called nth root, because root over of a equal to a to the power half. A to the power m by n equal to nth root of a to the power m, and a to the power minus n equal to 1 by a to the power n. Also a to the power n equal to 1 by a to the power minus n. This or that, whatever we will need, we will use it. Number 11, a by b to the power n minus n equal to, it will be reciprocal, it will be taken as reciprocal of a by b, that is b by a to the power n. Again, a to the power 0 equal to 1, similarly x to the power 0 equal to 1, p to the power 0 equal to 1, and any number to the power 0, it may be any number, any integer to the power 0 equal to 1. Number 13, nth root of a equal to b. If nth root of a equal to b, then a equal to b to the power n. Similarly, minus a to the power n minus a to the power n equal to a to the power n when n is even number, and minus a to the power n equal to minus a to the power n, same when n is odd. We have to remember that a, b, c, m, n, p, etc., whatever we have used here in the formula, all are not zero. You should remember this, that are not zero, these are not zero. One illustration today we have done, that is 3 cube into 243 to the power minus 2 by 3 into 9 to the power minus 1 by 3. This is 3 cube and 243 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 3 to the power 5. 3 to the power 5. That's why it is 3 to the power 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the power 5. 2 by 3. And 9 equal to 3 square, 1 by 3. Solving this, we are getting 3 to the power 3 and 5 into 2 minus 10 by 3, because m to the power n, this is a to the power m into n equal to a to the power m into n, so it will be multiplied and it will be minus 3 by 3, and this is also 2 into minus 1 by 3, that is minus 2 by 3. So it is 3 to the power 3 into 3 to the power minus 10 by 3 into 3 to the power minus 2 by 3. So according to this formula, number 6, a to the power m into a to the power n into a to the power p equal to a to the power m plus n plus p. Here it will be, this is minus, minus, this is also minus, minus, and this equal to 3 to the power minus 3 by 3, that is 3 to the power minus 1. 3 to the power minus 1 equal to 3 to the power minus 1, according to this 1 by 3. This will be 1 by 3. A to the power minus n, a to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by a. 1 by a, like this. So it is 3 to the power minus 1 equal to 1 by 3. This is the answer. Today this much. So we will proceed with indices. That's all today. You will follow my class. After indices we will start logarithm. Thank you.